Hello, welcome to Dojo. In this video, we will learn how a teacher can change the deadline of a particular worksheet. Let's suppose the worksheet is present in class lessons batch 11A. Click the class. Open the worksheet tab. Suppose you want to change the deadline of worksheet of mathematical reasoning. You can see one of the students has not submitted. Let's suppose he is requesting to extend the deadline. You can either extend the deadline or you can actually prepone it as well. Click the three dot here. Press change deadline. Now let's increase the deadline to 15th of May. And let's change the time to 4 p.m. Click update. Click yes. And now you have successfully updated the due date of this particular worksheet. All the students will be notified immediately of this particular change, and you can even see the word has changed to pending. Therefore, Ashish has 3 days left to complete this particular worksheet. Ashish will also be able to see this changed status in his dashboard. There you have it. You just learned how to change the deadline.